the red start stop button for 3 seconds and about 2 seconds to stop the motor. So I gotta hold the red button for 3 seconds.
I'm so excited I can't breathe.
Here we go. It's gonna be her very first time.
Here she goes.
It's not going up.
Oh my God. Dolores, right or left, or keep it out of the ocean?
No, it's working. It's working, baby.
Yeah, how are you going to get it down?
Okay.
Oh, you're good. You're good. This is her first time. She's doing great.
Okay, I want you to get on that box. Oh, I'm just not going to land it on the box.
You think I'll put the box under it?
Stay right there. I don't want you to go. You heard it. Where's it go? I want you away from the other. Look, away from the other.
Wow, Dolores.
Okay, so that's out the way.
Keep it away from me.
No. Okay, go over there. Over there. Don't not looking. Oh, maybe you should go up. Okay, go stop. Oh my God. It landed its frickin' self.
That's Dolores' landing.
Oh my God.
To be continued.